Why do we age? From an evolutionary perspective, it's one of the strangest mysteries of life. Your body spends decades repairing itself, fighting diseases, and keeping you alive. So why does it eventually start breaking down? Wouldn't it make more sense if evolution created a body that could last forever? The answer begins with one simple fact. Evolution has one main goal: passing genes to the next generation. Once an organism survives long enough to reproduce, evolution becomes less focused on keeping it perfect forever. But why not keep repairing the body anyway? Because perfect repair is incredibly expensive. The energy your body uses to repair every tiny mistake could be spent on surviving, growing, and reproducing. Over time, small mistakes build up inside our cells. DNA damage, weaker cells, and slower repairs slowly change the body. This is called biological aging. But aging isn't completely useless. Older generations pass knowledge, skills, and experience to the next generation. Nature doesn't create perfect machines. It creates organisms that are good enough to survive. Aging is not a mistake in the system. It is the result of millions of years of evolution balancing survival, energy, and reproduction. The strange truth is, nature never promised us forever. It only gave us enough time to continue the story of life.